Drowning in invoices and payment headaches? Let's transform chaos into cash flow. Using PayPal to streamline your small business finances? First things first, head over to PayPal.com and sign up for a free PayPal business account. It's quick and easy. Just be sure to have your business information handy. Once you're logged in, explore your dashboard. This is your mission control. You'll see your recent activity, can send money, and access a variety of tools. PayPal offers multiple ways to get paid. You can integrate a PayPal button directly onto your website, create shareable payment links for social media or email, or send professional invoices. Let's focus on invoicing. Click Request Money and fill in your customers' details, add line items for your products or services, and customize the invoice with your logo. When your customer receives the invoice, they can pay securely with their PayPal account or credit, debit card, even if they don't have a PayPal account, and the funds land directly in your account. PayPal provides basic reporting and analytics, giving you insight into your sales trends and customer behavior. This helps you make informed decisions about your business. Download the PayPal Business app to manage your finances on the go. Send invoices, track payments, and even process refunds right from your phone. So ditch the payment stress and unlock the power of PayPal to simplify your small business finances and watch your business flourish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more small business tips.